escape, two men struggle to fight for their lives.
Alright, we've been standing out here for a good 4 days. You can see it's still coming down pretty bad. Alright. Well, it's about 10 degrees right now, and this blizzard's not gonna stop until about 8 in the morning. We've been hearing some noises. We don't know what they could be, but my fingers are numb. I can't even hold this camera. It's pretty bad. I don't know what we're gonna do. Oh, wait. What's that? Alright, I guess that was nothing. Let's come over here. Found a deep path over here. And what's that? What's that?
Heck. What the heck?
Okay, we don't know what that was, but we're gonna go up this path and steer clear of that shit. Anyhow. I don't know how much we're gonna last. Food is down. Nothing's looking too bright. My hands are about to fall off. My friend's getting bronchitis over here. I don't know what's going on.
What the f? What the f? What the f? What the f? What the f?